When I'm cleaning my house, I really like it to smell clean as well. So today I'm going to share with you a diffuser blend called Happy Home Diffuser Blend. It's going to make your house smell uplifting and clean.
Perfect.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists at Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils. So for this recipe, we are going to use 2 drops of lemongrass essential oil, 2 drops of peppermint essential oil, and 1 drop of clean and fresh essential oil blend.
All right, here's the lemongrass.
Lemongrass smells like lemon, but it has a sharper, stronger scent. So it really brings the lemony, clean smell into your home. Peppermint essential oil has a really energizing scent, which will help bring that happy aroma to your home.
It's also really good for stuffy noses.
Yes. And clean and fresh blend is gonna make your house smell clean. Once those are in the diffuser, you can put the lid on, plug it in, and diffuse away. If you love this recipe, you can make a master blend in a 5 milliliter bottle.
Okay.
To make that, you take your 5 milliliter bottle. Our subscribers get this in their big bonus box.
Woo!
And you'll use 40 drops of lemongrass, 40 drops of peppermint, and 20 drops of the clean and fresh blend.
Okay.
All right, put your lid on, shake it up to get all those oils blended together. Label your recipes so that you know what's in them. Otherwise, you end up with all kinds of bottles that you don't know what they are. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.
See you later.